Good morning kids. Today we are going to learn a new chapter. That is chapter 7, Plants Living and Surviving. In this chapter, let's see what are the things we are going to learn. Classify the plants according to their habitats. Okay. First one is we are going to classify the plants according to their habitats. Habitat means their living places. Living places like terrestrial plants, that is plants living on the land, aquatic plants, plants living in water, and desert plants, plants living in desert, like that. Based on their living place, we are going to classify the plants. Okay. Second thing is analyze how plants are affected by their surroundings. Okay. Next is understand how plants of grass family are useful to us. Say for example, bamboo is one of the grass family of a plant. Okay. Now we are going to study about all these 3 points under this chapter. Plants grow on mountain slopes, on oceans, in deserts, and in river valleys. In fact, they grow almost everywhere. Plants differ from each other depending on the surroundings where they grow. Let us read about them. Different types of plants have different living places. So depending upon their living places, we will study about the plants, how they are adapted to their habitats. First we will discuss about terrestrial plants. The word terrestrial means living on land. Most plants grow on land. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. For terrestrial plants are coconut tree, neem tree, banyan tree are some of the examples of terrestrial plants. In hilly areas where it is generally cold, trees are tall and straight. These trees have needle-like leaves. Instead of flowers, these trees bear cones. In hilly areas like Nilagiri, Yercaud, Yelagiri, Kodaikanal, where it is very cold climatic conditions, we can see all the time, all over the year. Trees are tall and straight in that places. These trees have needle-like leaves. Okay, their leaves are like needle-like structures. Instead of flowers, these trees can bear cones. The pine, fir, and cedar are some such trees. Spruce trees are found in very cold places. In the plains means flat land area. Trees have lots of branches. These trees can bear the heat but shed their leaves during winter. Plants which are living on the flat land, they can tolerate very high temperature of the heat, but they are used to shed their leaves during winter season. Example for such plants are mango, shisham. Shisham means generally it is found in North India. The common name for shisham trees are rosewood tree. Okay. People tree, in Tamil Nadu we can see, and banyan tree also, and sal tree are some such examples which are found in hilly areas, okay, which can tolerate high temperature. In hot and damp areas, trees have lots of leaves. The climatic condition will be hot and the soil will be very moist. Okay, such condition lands contain trees with a lot of leaves, but they do not shed their leaves in winter. They remain evergreen like the tree, like teak and coconut trees. Some other plants that grow in such places are pepper, rubber, sugarcane, rice, and cotton. The trees which survive on hot and damp areas will not shed their leaves in winter. They always remain evergreen, so they are called evergreen forest also. Okay, so example for such trees are coconut and teak trees. Some other plants except trees, some plants also cultivated over there. So example for such plants are pepper, rubber, sugarcane, rice, and cotton. So these are some of the examples for terrestrial plants in different land area. The remaining part of the classification we'll discuss in next class. Thank you, children.